Hey, hi everyone. So welcome back to my video. So in today's video, we will see how to insert, delete, and modify the row and column. So suppose this is the Excel sheet we have, and I already inserted some data. Okay, so this is the column we know as column, and this is the row. Okay, to select the row and column, so there is two way to select it. First is we can click on here and it will get selected, and second is we have shortcut key for selecting the column and row. Okay, so if we want to select the column, then we can click here and it would get selected. Same for row also, we need to click on the row and it would get selected. So there is shortcut key. So selecting the column, we need to click on one column which we want to select. We just need to put it there, our cursor, and we need to press the control plus space bar. Sorry, yeah, space bar, then it will get selected the whole column. Same for row. So if you want to select the eighth number row, then we need to put the our cursor there and we need to press the shift plus space bar, then it will get selected. Okay, then second thing, if you want to insert a new column here, so we need to do, we just need to select the column, right click, insert, it will get inserted. So like that you can do, you can insert the column. If we want to delete it, we just need to click here and we just need to delete, it will get deleted. Okay, the second and the other things, if we want to give the width of the column, like here we can increase the width. Okay, same for row also we can do it. Okay, so you can see here. So if we want to uh, set the width of the column and row, then we can do, we need to click on column width, and here we can pass some value and it will get set it to that width. Same for column we can do, we just need to select the row. Sorry, yeah, same for row we can do, we just need to select the row and we just need to go here and we need to select the format. Yeah, row height we need to select and we just need to pass the value. Okay, it's too low, so we will do it again. Row height, we just pass 10 and it would get set. Okay, like that you can do. Yeah, thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel for this much interesting video. Thank you.